Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making a very popular Filipino Bicolano dish na talaga namang uusok ang tenga mo sa anghang at sarap. So we have Bicol Express. It is a dish that you won't be able to resist because of its abundant use of chilies and coconut milk. We will make this recipe as easy as possible for you to follow para naman madali nyo itong lutuin sa inyong mga kusina. Now, to my Bicolano friends and viewers, I want to say that my original plan was to make a cooking video that would showcase the authentic Bicol Express. But with the limited resources that I have for getting the ingredients, I was only able to purchase the alternatives. So I'm substituting fresh coconut milk with the canned coconut milk, which is just as good as in terms of quality. I'm also using bottled alamang instead of fresh alamang. Now, the dish also calls for labuyo, which is a small chili pepper, wild and native to the Philippines. Now, since labuyo is hard to find, I will be using bird's eye chilies from Thailand. Lastly, I will be using Siling Haba or Siling Pansigang or your Long Green Chillies to serve as the vegetables for the dish. Now, with the original way of cooking Bicol Express, hindi po ito ginigisa. You must put everything in your pot or your kawali as shown. And what I do is I arrange my ingredients in a way that, I see them by proportion. Now, we will be using pork, which is I'm using liempo, and this is menudo cut. We have ginger, finely chopped, your red onions, finely chopped as well, and then your garlic. Also, we have the bottled alamang. So for the complete list of ingredients and the measurements, please refer to the description below this video. So for other ingredients to our Bicol Express dish, we will be using a lot of coconut milk. So I bought coconut cream. This is your kakanggata. When you buy fresh coconut from the wet market or the palengke, you have it pressed without water or adding water. So that's your kakanggata. And then I also have coconut milk, which is technically your second press from fresh coconut. And this has, water content already. Okay, para mapadali ang buhay natin, canned na yung gagamitin natin para hindi na tayo magpipiga. Now, for the chili, since we didn't have labuyo, we will be using bird's eye chilies from Thailand. And then, as I've mentioned, for the main vegetable of the dish, still we will be using chilies, long green chilies or your Siling Haba. So we're gonna be using a lot of this because yun yung main reason kung bakit Bicol Express to. It's really made out of chilies. Now we all have our ingredients ready, so let's start cooking. So in your same pot, you add first your coconut milk. Now, after adding your coconut milk, you just give your, kawali or pot a quick mix para ma-distribute yung ating aromatics with the pork and the alamang. And then after that, you turn on your heat and start boiling your Bicol Express. Okay, yung unang kulo, as you can see, very well blended na yung ating aromatics and alamang. So we will be cooking and tenderizing our pork first. Now, at this point, you may want to add salt if you wish, or more alamang. But for me, the alamang that I already placed is just enough for the saltiness. Now let's wait for your coconut milk to thicken like this. Okay, now once it starts to thicken, this is the time now that you add your coconut cream or your kakangata. Now you cover your kawali or your pot and then bring this to a boil again until your coconut milk starts to thicken with this consistency again. So by this time, your pork is tender enough. Now at this stage, you should be okay with the taste and the saltiness, because we will start adding our chilies. Now, I really want you to taste this before you add your chilies, because you won't be able to, get the right saltiness if you do your, seasoning after you've added the chili. So we first added your Thai bird's eye chilies and then your green chilies all together. So we are down to the last few minutes of our cooking, and Bicol Express is almost ready. Now as you can see, lutong-luto na yung gata niya, lumalabas na yung coconut oil. This is how it's supposed to look like, guys. Yung lumalabas na yung oil ng coconut milk, and you know that your dish is ready. So if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share this video to your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe at ENE. And you can also tap the bell for notifications on new videos. Now please do follow my other social media accounts. My Facebook page is Being a Foodie at its Finest. And for Instagram account, that's gonna be Classic Curvy Chic. So I hope you enjoyed watching this cooking video, and thank you for watching again. Bye.